Oh, hey, everybody. Sorry, I was muted. Good morning, everybody. How's it going? How's it going? Let's see what's happening. Ashevs, hey, good morning. Camille, hey, FX and Trophy, what's going on? Filling a short this morning. Already took a long up to here. All right, weekly open, Asia high. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Simeon, hey, and Trader G. Everybody's here who counts. Yeah. Equal lows at 1980. Yeah. That could happen. That could happen. Also, don't forget, if you look to the left, just look at the 5-minute. Look to the left. Relative equal highs from Sunday and Monday. Look at that. This high is at 20,030, and this high is at 2875. So yeah, I would say relative equal highs, but what's the high of this one? 2875. So I'm gonna put this to 2875 just to make sure. That's also possible. We are very close. We're just like 15 points away. Yeah, look at that. So that's the level. We can still, you know, push it up there. 13. Yeah, it would be a tight trade. Absolutely a tight one. But let's see. I'm doing great, by the way. Let's see. I'm early good highs. Yes. Firing a short soon. All right. Killed it. Yes, nice. Yeah. I forgot to read the chat. So I want to wait. I mean, for me, it would be safer to wait until we reach that 2875 at least, or you know, spoke higher a little bit. Let's see what's the news. What do we have news-wise? Nothing special. New home sales at 10 a.m. today. Otherwise, should be pretty much a decent and quiet London session. Yannick's, hi. Good to see you. All right. Oh, totally forgot to update the stream with Buleanox. Buleanox is down 90%, guys. Buleanox is extended the 90% sale until Sunday. So let me update. Totally forgot to do that. I'm waiting for this NQ to reach for those highs. So 90% off lifetime from the option 1 accounts. It has been updated officially. Let me update the banner as well. I think it should be down there. Buleanox 90. All right, done and done. Should be seen, right? All right, 90%, right. And it's lifetime, yes. They want to take over Apex pretty much, so 90% sale at Buleanox for the option 1 accounts with Tom Sabo 1, and Tom Sabo 2 is for 70% from option 2 accounts. Also, some big news coming from MyFundedFutures. They're going to do a very attractive thing with the starter accounts. From next month, I think it's going to be $80 flat, including activation fee. There's going to be no discounts. It's going to be $80. That's all. That's it. No discount, no promo, no nothing. So $80, including activation fee. And they're giving more threshold from $2,000. They are giving the total loss limit to $2,500. So that's cheaper than TopStep. Just saying. 50K account, sorry, 50K. 50K, totally forgot to say. The 50K account, no, that's all we know. I guess the higher accounts are going to have a different price too. But the 50K accounts are going to be 80 bucks. Actually, I can show you the chat from MyFundedFutures. Yeah, here is it. Here's the chat from MyFundedFutures. 50K plan will be $80 all in, no activation fee. That's from next month. Resets will be 50 bucks, but no discount, zero promo, nothing. It will be 80 bucks. That's it. But no activation fee, guys. No activation fee. Resets will be 50 bucks. All plans will have extra drawdown, so 50K is going to have 2,500 instead of 2,000. No change in the expert accounts. Still, the most freedom is going to be with the expert accounts, but for starter accounts, they're doing this. So I guess it's very good. At TopStep, you have to pay $49 plus $149 for activation. Now you can have it all for 80 bucks from next month. So that's a good thing. What is the funded account rule on payout rule? What is the funded account rule? You know, there is the on the starter account there is a withdrawal cap. On the 50K account, I think it's $2,000 or $3,000. I don't even know on the starter. And the minimum withdrawal is 500. Plus, you can withdraw up to 60% of the safety threshold. Bi-weekly payouts, technically. That's it. You got filled at 208. Nice. Nice. Okay, so this was a structure shift. I do like that. Although I wanted to see this earlier. I mean, sorry, later when we hit the 28. But technically it is a shift. So let's see what it does. Is this a shift? Hold on. It might not be a shift. Low is 0805. Yeah, it's not a shift. Sorry then. It's not a market structure shift. Still waiting. Or is? There's no swing structure. Maybe on the 1 minute or the 3. Yeah, on the 3 minute it is. On the 3 minute it is a shift. No, not. No, down. On the 1 minute there is a shift. That's true. On the 1 minute there is a market structure shift here. Just saying. Let's see. 05 to, yeah, it's a decent shift on the 1 minute. I like this. I'm not trading the 1 minute, but it's a shift. Yes, that's cool. Spy Girl, greetings. The significance of 2875 is the relative equal highs. Sorry, I might have put it to the wrong place. Let me delete this. Relative equal highs, that's actually 30. Sorry, not 75. It was a mistake from my end. I apologize. Look at Sunday high is 30, and on Monday it's also 30. So relative equal highs. Sorry, it's my mistake. Relative equal highs. Sunday and Monday. Okay. That's it. So it's very close. 20 points for Nasdaq. It's not significant. Let's see what's going to happen here. There was a continuation to go higher from previous day high. As you see, there's a small fair value gap. I don't want to scare anyone who is short. There's a small tiny fair value gap here on the 5 minute, which is fine. the swing of this 5-minute move it just went to, actually, dude, it's actually good for a possible long position. Oh, okay, I'm taking a long here. I'm sorry. It happened very suddenly, but I'm taking a long. My entry is actually very bad. I have a very bad entry here. My target would be... My target is 25. 25, yeah. Yeah. So I took a long. My entry is not so good, but it has the 1.5 ratio. I totally missed this. Anyway, my entry is very bad, but I did not want to miss the move. Let me see the risk to reward. Okay, it's good. Risk to reward. Oh no, it's not good. I might have to take it lower. Damn it, my entry is not good on this one. I missed my entry, but anyway, I'm in the trade. I opened it up with 4 micros. Let me show you in a second. Another payout approved. Let's go, High Mountain Trader. Congratulations. That's how you do it. Long. I took a long, sorry. Here it is. I took a long. My entry is not good. As you see, my risk to reward is off. I should have entered at 06. I'm going to add one more micro to, if it goes down again, I'm able to add one more micro within my risk. I think I'm risking about 80 bucks or something. Let me see. Yeah, something about that. No. Anyway, I'm willing to add one more to this trade, one more micro. Maybe that's going to average it out. If it goes against me, I'll try to average something on it. Yeah, I'm trying to be careful. It's definitely a risky trade. Risk to reward is not good. I'm not satisfied with this. Serdar, good morning. I'm focusing. Crypto. I'm sorry. There is no entry here at this point, bro. Well, my entry was only based on this tiny fair value gap and with the structure shift. So the structure shift for me, I mean, this was the fair value gap, but that is actually, this is not an A+ setup. I guess you guys see it already that this is not an A+ setup. The market structure shift as a continuation to the upside was actually right there. And the target would be the relative equal highs up there. Now, I know it's at 30, but my original entry at OTE would have been at, well, at least at 07. Damn it. At least at 07, but maybe 0650. I'm gonna put a, no, I'm not gonna put anything. So my risk to reward is not good. I wanted to go with at least 1.5, but it's not putting me in that trade. I mean, I missed it. I know, Chefs. I know. I was watching the 5-minute. I have my bias right now to the relative equal highs, and I thought that, you know, I realized it a little bit late that on the 5-minute this was a continuation with the fair value gap, and so this is what I'm aiming for. But you know, yeah, liquidity has been swept. That is why this is an extremely dangerous, absolutely not an A+ setup. So not an A+ setup. What I'm going to do is to reduce some risk on this one, is to maybe lower my stop loss if this would go into my direction. But you know, yeah, let's see what's gonna happen here. I was just curious if this one wants to take that level. So what I'm trying to do here is I might going to, if it starts to go, I'm going to reduce my risk a little bit, maybe. I don't know. Me and Tom, we are antagonists. His long trades are my short trades, like always. And that's also the beauty of trading. We can have different targets, you know. You know, I'm buying high, I'm selling low. That is what I do. I'm buying high and selling low. I haven't even checked on gold. Okay, nothing on gold. So we can leave gold alone for a little bit. Damn it, I missed my entry here. This would have been much better entry. At those 3 points counts a lot. So as I said, what I'm willing to do, I'm gonna add 1 micro more down at 0.6, and that's gonna be my total risk. That would be around $100 on this trade. And that's allowed even by Apex. You can add 1 more. So that is going to be my total risk. 1 more micro added to this. And my stop loss is below the recent 5-minute swing. Yeah, in my view, here it can flip as we, yeah, absolutely. Jittery fingers, reversal on both, yeah, could happen. Actually, I haven't even checked on ES all that much. I have to update the charts here. Okay, that was midnight. Okay, let me put in the midnight level here. It's not totally accurate, but it does the job. Yesterday's high was here. Previous day high. And previous day low is down there. Wow, okay. Previous day low. All right. So ES also trying to make new highs inside of a fair value gap. Yeah, unfortunately, it's not good. Not looking good for me. I think it's already down to my level, or at least it was close. Good morning, Pinan Mendez, Israel. Good to see you. Yeah, so not happy with this entry. That is why I'm going to, if it starts to move in my favor, I will move my stop, and maybe that can do something. Looks like shenanigans to me. If you're right, 150 is a good place. Yeah, 150. Let's check it. 150. Oh yeah, look at the daily fair value gap up there, by the way. Look at the daily fair value gap. That would be an interesting place to go. So Nas, hey there. You're live streaming. All right. Feel sleepy, but soon. You made 75 messing around here in London. Nice. Hey, profit is profit. Nas, it's awesome. Hoping to see you streaming. I can't. I'm gonna check on you. That is awesome. I got the microphone. Nice. All right. If it holds, yeah. First go lower, 97, up 830s into hell. Yeah. Hello now. Good to see you. J-Ho. Oh, Naz is going. He was streaming last time too. He just had the issue with the microphone. Now he has no issue. Good to see you, J-Ho. What's happening? Yeah, so far the 5 minutes. So far it's doing okay. Yesterday I was having an awesome day. I made almost $1,000 on the funded accounts. 3 funded accounts overall together. So 320 something on each. So I was having a good day yesterday. Hello, Brownie. Damn it, I missed my entry here. I mean, I don't like when I'm off focus. This was actually fitting my criteria. I had a good bias. I mean, I think I have a good bias. Nothing is guaranteed, of course. This was a confirmation, small tiny fair value gap. You know, anyway. As I said, I'm adding one more micro if it spikes lower. And that's it. That's all I'm gonna do. Yes, I'm long, Martin. And keep up. Yeah, I'm wishing you all the best, Naz. You know, I hope you can prove to everybody that you make those trades with the system. So really Godspeed and good luck. You know, I'm gonna be checking you out on the streams. Waiting for London. Yeah, London is like 30 something minutes away. Thank you, Mary. Yeah, I don't know how far this buy is gonna go. We can still dip much lower. You know, we're at the 20k level also, so I have to be careful. This is a round number, whole number, very important number. Price can also just consolidate and bounce all over during the day. Maybe all the way until tomorrow is just gonna bounce around the 20k level. So it can happen. Everybody trades differently, Naz, but that's the beauty. That's why we like this. Let me check. Let's see. Oh yeah, here we have Naz. I can cheat a little bit for the sake of the stream. I'm gonna move my stop just a little bit, not too much, just to have the 1.5 risk to reward ratio. I don't need much, I just need the 25, so let's go. I see your stream, Naz. Let's go. If it goes back, I'm just gonna move back my stop. How about that? My entry is total messed up, so I take responsibility, but anyway. It's not over, guys. Until it's not at TP, it's not over. It can, we've seen it many times. It can go straight against you know, it can go straight to the other direction any moment. So it's not over until it's not at TP or stop loss. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for my TP for now, or my stop loss. You know, let's see how it goes. Hey, good morning, Ukando. Long time no see. What's happening with you? Ukando, I am happier to see you. Long time no see. What's happening? What's happening? Hope you're doing well. Ganesha was very nice as when you want to. My entry is still, it's still a terrible entry. My original entry would have been at least at 06. So I would be long from 06 in this case. So I'm not happy with it, but it is what it is. Look at that. That's why I said until it's not at TP or stop loss, it's nothing. It doesn't count. So I'm going to cheat on this one. If it goes back against me, I'm going to move my stop down to this low and add one more micro. That's going to, well, it's not going to even out my risk reward ratio, but I'm willing to add one more micro. That's the thing. But I'm watching this closely. I'm going to move my stop back down to 98. That's all I can do because I messed up my entry. I've been trading like a monkey for a while. Wow. Just watching. I mean, as long as you're not giving up, you know, consider break-even your trade. Because if it starts reversing, it's gonna be a bloodbath. Yeah, I'm aware of that. But you know, many times I go break even. It takes me out at break even with just one tick, and it goes into my direction. And I told this to you guys many times. I hate FOMO. I would take a full stop loss anytime better emotionally than a FOMO. I hate FOMO so much. It's still the biggest mental struggle for me in trading, the FOMO. So I would choose a full complete stop loss anytime instead of a FOMO. And this is why I choose to go with full stop loss. Rarely I put it to break even. Yes, rarely. But yeah, I hate FOMO. It takes me out. That usually happens. I put it to break even, takes me out, and boom, goes to my original TP. That's what happens when I put it to break even. Yeah. I mean, in London session, as we talked about it yesterday, we're fighting for every single point. That is why I said missing 3 points in London session is huge. I think we're fighting every point, every tick by tick, you know. Yeah, break even means a free trade. It's only house money, right? So I get it. I absolutely get it, and that's true. I absolutely don't disagree with that. So Cosmo, hey, what's going on? I just saw the Discord there. So yeah. Yeah, Nas is live. I'm actually, yeah, I'm checking. He's live. He's on TopStep X. Might wait for that I knew. Yeah, so the only news is that we're gonna have today is new home sales at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So that's all. Look at that. Gold swept some lows, previous day low actually. And now it's going higher. Interesting. Interesting. I'm thinking we're in Market buy at 100, obviously. Yep, don't forget we have a daily fair value gap higher. Just you know, watch for that. If this one would starts to run, there's a daily fair value gap up there, right? So just don't forget it. Data is what brings the volatility, yeah. Other brown highlights sitting at 30, 25. Yeah, I like the 30 level too, but it doesn't necessarily mean that we're gonna get there soon enough. As I said, we could be bouncing around the 20,000 level all morning until New York 10 a.m. You know, it can just go consolidate. You know, you never know. You go on, you click on his name and you click on go to channel. I think that's the most simple, but I can paste it to you. I have the link here. This is his link right there, because I was watching him. Look at this. Oh man, not looking good. As I said, I'd rather take a full stop than a break even. So, and I'm adding one more micro at 06, maybe 0575. So one more buy limit at, okay, buy limit at 06, and I'm gonna move my stop down to 98. That would be a better entry. It can still consolidate. If it spikes down, I'm adding one more to it, and that's it. I know it's weird as it looks like, but switch the name final to something really nice and professional. All right. Ran out of steam at 18. Yeah, it feels like it. It feels like it. It's running out of steam. Yeah, I might have to move my stop back down. $98 would be my final stop. Trying to average out my position about the bad entry. I'm just saying, keep repeating this if someone is just hopping in and sees what the hell I'm doing. Better for on a 1 minute? Yeah, maybe, but I'm just gonna be, let me check the 1 minute just for a second. Yeah, 1 minute is shifting down. Don't like it. I don't like it. $30 would be the next resistance, yes, but I want to get out at 25 if I can. If not, then 98. Yeah, let's see. It's gonna be tight. It's gonna be tight, super tight. And let's check on gold. Look at this, mother tucker. Look at gold. What is happening? Actually, this is a market structure shift. Let me look at this one too. Yeah. So what can I look for on gold? Took out the Asia low. We still have a sell side liquidity down there. I don't really like this formation. Oh, the dog is barking, so that's bullish. But I do like that we have this candle up there. My neighbor's dog is barking, so that's always a bullish sign. Depends on which market, you know. This is gonna be bullish. This is a market structure shift on gold because we have it's not an A plus setup. Fair value gap, liquidity sweep, market structure shift, fair value gap, OTE, boom. It could be. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. All along for multiple days. Hey, Slim Trady. Jumping. Thank you so much, Slim Trady. Thank you. Hey, have a good day and thanks for dropping by. It was good to see you. Okay, Nasdaq still up there. I'm trying to measure this thing on gold. If it would like to go. Down to OTE. Yeah. OTE would be 24.4 on gold. I don't know if I want to take a gold trade. It's not my favorite right now. I mean, it doesn't look all that juicy to be taken. Let's see. Nas ended the stream. I haven't checked him. He ended? No, he didn't. He's still in it. Oh, he was about to. Okay. Well, I think he's just, you know, he was up. He was trading. He said it. Let's go gold. Yeah, 24.4 would be a level that I'm watching as an OTE, but you know, if it's not going there, I might going to leave it. Now, this NQ trade, I would be much happier about it with a better entry. We could go sideways for an hour or even 2 hours or whatever, you know. Yeah, I heard about that. So MyFundedFutures is changing the starter plan from next month to $80 and no activation fee and no discount though. So there will be absolutely zero discount from the $80, but it will include the activation fee, and there's going to be a $2,500 dollar threshold, you know, instead of $2,000. So yeah, that's amazing. And there's more, which we don't know yet, but they said there's going to be some more additional things to come. So that's really a game changer, I think, on the 50Ks. It's only for the starter. The expert accounts they're not going to change, because expert accounts are still going to give you the most freedom at MyFundedFutures. So obviously they're going to be more expensive, but still, you know, $80 including activation fee is the cheapest right now, or going to be the cheapest in the market with all the benefits. You know, we have to, you know, compare it to some other prop firms later on. And also you can open Rhythmic accounts now at MyFundedFutures, so the issue has been fixed. But the expert accounts is definitely the one that gives the most freedom. More accounts, like over 5, would definitely get accounts from them. Maybe, who knows? Maybe they're gonna say, all right, you can have 5. Now you can have 3, I think. But I mean, someone said if you reach the live account level with MyFundedFutures, they will let you to have one more additional simulated funded account, because obviously if you're on a live account, you're not a liability or a risk for the simulated environment. So they might let you to add more simulated funded accounts once you go live. Right now you can have three funded accounts. You can have, I don't know, 10 or unlimited evaluations. I don't even know how much evaluation accounts you can have, but I think 8 or 10 is more than enough evaluations for one time. But three funded accounts is the max, plus the live account, I think. So that is why I'm not sure. I have to ask around, but so that's 4, I think. So 3 plus 1. 1 is a live account, but I have to check on this. I heard prop firms are asking justifications of trades. Really? While asking for payouts. Well, Apex did that, like, with quite a few people, quite a lot of people. They were reviewing their accounts and they were asking about the strategy. Also, by the way, MyFundedFutures also said that if they see something that could be a red flag, they could be also asking, but they're not. They didn't do it yet. Actually, they're not going to ask. I'm rephrasing it. I'm sorry. Never mind. They were talking about it like a month ago on Discord. That if they see a consistent trading plan with a consistent amount of, for example, micros, and you're making profits, and all of a sudden 1 or 2 trades you enter with like 10 minis or whatever, they're still going to, you know, pay you out, but maybe you will receive an email that, hey, you know, we noticed that you were trading consistently and you had 2 trading days or 2 trades or whatever, that you were, you know, YOLOing it with 10 minis. You know, please don't do this because that's a red flag, but they're still paying you. Tom, can I use yes, you can. You can use it with Mac, because TradeAwait has a web trader, NinjaTrader has a web trader, and that's, I know, since yesterday. Since yesterday. So yes, you can trade on a Mac computer, but from your browser. So you will have to log in to TradeAwait on a browser and NinjaTrader on a browser. So yeah. Sir Berenson, hey. Weekends are included in the 14 days, so it's only 10 days for payout. Yes, so that's why I'm saying it's bi-weekly payout at MyFundedFutures. Bi-weekly payouts. And don't forget, 90% off until Sunday at Buleanox. Totally forgot to say that. 90% off lifetime if you use TOPSTEP1. Go for it. Stack up a few accounts. I did it yesterday. So, lifetime 90%. Please tell me that you take... No, I didn't, Sir Berenson. I wish I could tell you that. But I didn't. I didn't. Unfortunately. I didn't take that. I wish, though. I wish. What can I say? It is what it is. Well. Judy Finger says, I am the most inconsistent trader. I don't know why I even pay for... don't say that. I mean, as they say, practice makes the master, or something like that, right? Just, you know, don't give up practice. Or if you don't want to pay some props, then go with, you know, do some backtest. Go with the demo account, collect some data, and, you know, get back on the horse. You can do that. You can trade on a Mac with Buleanox if you choose Rhythmic and you log in with NinjaTrader. So I just know this information since 24 hours. So Buleanox only has Rhythmic connection. So you choose Rhythmic, you log in through NinjaTrader, and NinjaTrader has a web platform. And that's it, as far as I understand. You can trade on a Mac. Installed parallels, but didn't help much. I'm short, average 0.14. Okay, please take your profit and let me go down. All right. We should do that. We should take profit and let FX and Trophy go, right? I had to chat extensively with Buleanox chat to help set up Buleanox accounts with Rhythmic. They need to update the web page. Yeah, they definitely need to put up some information because the help section is not too... I mean, it's not too much information up there. I used to think Tom was actually a good guy. No. Why you say that? Just clean up the time frames by only keeping H4, H1, yeah, M1, fire, yeah. I'm into some trouble. Yeah, be careful. Let's have a great London session. Let's go. There you go, 100 lot. So let's see what's gonna happen. I'm still checking on gold. Partially, not all that much. Gold is holding the position. London Open is around the corner. Lots of YouTubers stopping shilling Apex because viewers are leaving them. Yeah, maybe. I still trade with Apex because I'm working on my funded accounts, so I'm still going to shill them, but Let's see what happens. But I don't have anything. I mean, anyway, I'm not gonna go down that road. I always start to talk about Apex too much, and then all hell is breaking loose. I think they're okay. I'm trading with them. I have funded accounts with them. I bought more evaluation accounts, so I don't DCA. I don't care. I just continue to trade with them, whatever happens. That's why I trade with multiple prop firms, period. That's it. If they go down, if any of these prop firms go down, just move to the next one. That's it. Yeah, NinjaTrader actually owns TradeAwait, so it's the same company. NinjaTrader, but they didn't allow telling that I have a NinjaTrader account already. Yeah, it's the same company actually, but I don't know. Yeah, Samh, I did not get paid from a funded account from Apex yet. Only TopStep and MyFundedFutures. I only received affiliate commission from Apex so far. I've blown, I don't know, I've blown at least 5 funded accounts with Apex, maybe 6. 5 or 6 funded accounts. So from trading, I only received money from TopStep and MyFundedFutures, but still didn't receive money from Buleanox and Apex because emotions always got to my way. You know, it was hard. This year did not start it as I wanted it to, but we're moving forward. I'm not worried about Apex. Yeah, hopefully they will fix the issues. Yeah. Do not steal Apex to me. All right, Icarus. Sorry about that. So if these firms go down, no one can take them to court. They can't just screw poor customers. Well, I don't know how this works, especially not in the United States jurisdiction, you know. I don't know exactly which law goes for them. What goes for them from SEC or CFTC. I think there's a lot of fine print that even us don't understand how they operate. So, not sure. Not sure. But hey, Forex prop firms don't even have this. So Forex prop firms are, I'm not saying they're bad or something, but it's even a more wild west at Forex prop firms. It's a wild west. I was frustrated, but chat with support. You won't have to go through it again. Okay, that's awesome. Just show up in your rhythmic. Okay. Yes, if there's a proof of fraud, then there's a case. But you know, that's why since last year, every prop firm, Forex, futures, whatever, every prop firm is using this fantastic word simulated, because obviously the case with my Forex funds opened up many eyes from the viewpoint of these prop firms. And obviously the biggest problem was that MyFundedFutures were saying that, you know, they're connecting everyone, I mean the traders, to the live market, while they didn't. And now everything is simulated, which I think everybody knew. I mean, even when my Forex funds, come on, my Forex funds was still operating, everybody knew that you're actually B-booked. You're not going to the real life market, and you're getting payouts from losing from failed accounts, right? We were talking about this last year. I remember everybody knew that you're getting the payout. So, you know, it is what it is. It was no secret at that point. Uh-oh, this trade doesn't look good. I'm gonna add one more micro at 06. I'm gonna put my stop down to 98. And that's gonna be it for this trade. I'm gonna hold it. But that is gonna be it. If it takes me out, it takes me out. We have London open in less than a minute, so I'm gonna put my stop back down to 98. And as I said, I try to average some of the position out. I have to modify my stop loss, of course. It goes to spam folder now. All right, let me see. New Caledonia? I don't know. Apex YouTubers all soulless. Jesus Christ. That's so bad. Tom is going down with chill for Apex. Oh my god, another. I take Apex. They've been paying me 4K every 2 weeks for 2 months now. Awesome. You enter the short on NQ? Nice. We have market open. So let's see what's it gonna do. If I add one more, that's allowed. And I only add one more because I missed my entry at below 06 actually. So that's the only thing I would like to do here. That is still all right. The market open is always scary, especially if you're close to these kind of levels. All right, so I'm gonna average out my trade with adding one more micro, and I'm gonna leave my stop at 98. If it takes me out, at least I know that my original entry was not good, and I take the full stop with the trade. Tom says yes, then says no. Yeah, I used to do that, right? Nice, nice jitter fingers. Yeah, you can add one position more to the account, so I'm doing that. There you go. And I have to modify my stop loss right now. And that's my full stop right there. Let me modify it. I should be modifying it. Interesting, because I clicked on modify and it's not doing it. I might have to delete my stop and pull it down to 98 again. There. All right. I'm gonna put it to there. That's a little bit better. Yeah, look at this box. Actually, this is a shift down, so I don't like it either. Unfortunate, because I was looking for that relative equal highs Sunday and Monday. Almost out from this one. Let me delete this. It's just disturbing me. So this would have been my original entry at 06-ish. Something like that. And this is where I would have put my... actually, my stop is still there. So... excuse me. I'm using Quant Tower, and for charting I like Trader Weight. Unfortunately, I think this trade is going to the dumpster. It is what it is. I'm checking on gold too. Gold is still up there. On the 15-minute, there was no fair value gap here, so I don't know. It's a little bit weird, but whatever. You know, gotta deal with it. It's not a full shift, but it can still go down. You called it South Side. Tom didn't listen to you. I don't understand. Yeah. My last line of defense, yeah. Anyway, as I said, I take the full stop way better than a FOMO, so that's why I didn't put it to break even. That's why I didn't go with break even. Yeah, it's gonna go down. One more for the books, right? And I'm still watching the gold. Let's look at gold. Gold could be, well, it's still holding that area up there. Unfortunately, I think Nasdaq will come down for that spike. No, no reverse button. No. I'm not pushing that. I'm not pushing that. All right, almost down. Interesting. All right, there you go. Why is it still up there? All right, nice flat. All right, let me change the stats. One more loss. Down to 57%. All right. On to the next one, you know. The thing is that this was not a structure shift. Oh, let me go to the trader weight. So this here is not a structure shift because of the wick. Now this one, I don't know. Still not really favoring the short here. But, you know, we were close. As for gold, you know. It was painful to watch. Back to VWAP. Yeah, we have a rejection clearly. Hebrew Truth. The worst trader award goes to Team Sabo. Who's Team Sabo? Anyway. Hebrew Truth. I'm sorry. Do you use some order flow stuff? No, not really. Not trading that. Let's search for some. I'm looking at gold, but it's still holding up there. I'm not looking to short NQ right now, so let's look at gold. All right. All right, let's see what's happening. All right. Let's see. All right, we're going back up. If we see a structure shift, I might be looking for another long position. But we'll see. We shall see. And look at gold. Now this is it could be a structure shift, but is it gonna go for the sell side? I don't know. I do not know. Let's see. Gold is still not shifting down. Could be a good short to take out that sell side liquidity. Where's my coffee? No, I'm not in a position. I'm absolutely flat at this point. You know, if it takes out the 30, at least I still have the moral victory. That's all. I will still have the moral victory. I know, moral victory is not result. At least it keeps you on track. We were very close. Yeah, we were very close. That's true. That is true. But it happens in trading. You know, what can we do? Now this one is closing down lower here. Let me check the 15-minute. Bearish order block. Could be pushing it lower. All right, this candle closed on gold. Let's see. I'm gonna wait for I'm gonna wait for the for the fair value gap to stay open here. Gold looks good for the short, actually. I was thinking that it might go higher, but now this order block could be pushing it down again. Also on Nasdaq, there was a shift on the 15-minute to the downside, so I have to consider that as a possibility. So let's see. Oh, I banned, of course. Yeah, I did. I think you're just getting banned too. Oh, oops. You got banned. It happens. All right. Let's see. You know, I just don't need people to come here and, you know, tell me what to do. I trade what I trade. You know, I was nice for some time, but don't worry, I'm not gonna curse and swear. But there comes the time when I just need to focus. So I need to focus on trading. If you want to do it on YouTube, you're welcome to do it. So the ban hammer is gonna go straight from now on. I don't care. So go on to other streamers, chat, and, you know, put dirt on them. That's all I can say. I want to focus on trading, build up a good community. I don't need people, you know, throwing stuff at each other, especially on me. So that's my opinion. You can go to other streamer and do it there. At least it gives me still more reaction and more interaction anyways. So from now on, it's official. I'm banning everyone if there is a reason, valid reason. So if you come here to throw, I'm going to say a bad language word. If you come here to throw shit, then obviously I'm not going to tolerate it anymore. I was nice for many months, but there's a level like I need to focus on trading, and that's it. And I'm being nice now. So I'm not going to be like Patrick Whelan and say all the stuff, but it is what it is. You know, if you come here to laugh at me, go laugh at yourself, or go to other streamer and laugh at him. Go tell others what to do. That's all I can do for you. Go to another streamer and be there. Laugh at that other streamer. That's all I can say to you. I'm sorry, but this is the truth. And I'm being respectful right now. I don't need you to be here to throw all that stuff. It's actually bad. Not just for me, but for other people as well. So, and that's on. That's all. Let's move on. Let's focus on this because this candle is going to close. So, I'm looking for the OTE level too. Yeah, so that was, today was the final straw. So Zabak, I don't know if he's a good guy. He comes here always laughing at me, makes jokes on me, and you know, I always remember maybe he's a good guy. I'm guessing he is, but still it's affecting my trading and my focusing, and I just had to do something about it. But you know, I assume he's a good guy. He must be, because I don't know him, and I know he must be a good guy. But yeah. Anyway, I'm focusing on trading, and I don't want people to throw all that stuff here. And it's not just because of me. I don't think that's a healthy environment. So if you, not any streamer, if on any streamer, if there's people who are acting toxic and throwing, you know, all kinds of, I'm gonna say it again, bad language word, shit on the stream, on the chat, it puts the whole environment in a toxic thing, and the focus goes away from trading. You know, that good feeling that we were having, good conversation, is going to turn into bad. Everything is going to go down, and it's a bad mood. And why should I let it? Other streamers might let it. Go for them. Absolutely. I used to be very nice with everyone, really. The first time I banned people was last week. Not since last year. Nobody. But that's it. I need to focus on this thing. This is, for me, it's serious. So I don't need time. I don't have time to laugh and then all that stuff. I mean, laughing is a good thing, but not like toxic or anything. Anyway. It's not easy being here, guys. So just saying, it's not easy being here on YouTube, and I'll do my best because I like this thing. But and if you come here to throw stuff on my trading style, then I don't like it. There's literally thousands of ways to trade. But anyway, let's go. All right, I'm gonna put back Zabak maybe then, but you know, all I can say is for Zabak, if he's still here and watching, is that it's emotionally difficult to handle this. So after the stream, I don't have the focus now to go into YouTube backend and to search for his name right now, but I'm gonna put him back because I know he was nice actually. But you know, sometimes it's hard to handle the stuff. Look at that. Okay, so that's how bad trader I am. Anyway, I am a bad trader, right? Because I put my stop loss in a bad place. But at least I called out this level. And we're gonna reach the 30. That's my opinion, but could be wrong, of course. But I think we're gonna reach it. I'm focusing on gold too. I just don't know what to do. Yeah, we're going for it. Wait, sorry, I was missing a lot of text here. I've been paid from TopStep and MyFundedFutures. NAS is, we like NAS. We're gonna talk about NAS a lot. He's special in a good way. Look at that. 30 has been taken. There you go. I want to say this because I think, anyway, I was right with the 30 level, but unfortunately my stop was triggered. Boom. It happens to every trader. Oh my god. But the 30 level was correct. Sony, goodbye. Mystery Life, goodbye. Who else should I say goodbye to? Okay, I'm gonna get Zabak back. You passed your... Oh, awesome. That is great. Congratulations. That is great, Piñan Mendez. Awesome. Yeah. Everybody can go to Myth chat and you know. Goodbye, 50 Sunni. Goodbye. All right. Let's see what's happening. We're going for the daily fair value gap. Look at that. Oh, now they're just coming here to ban them. All right. Yeah. I'm gonna do that. All right. Let's see. Daily fair value gap is in play. Let's hope for the best. Gold is going down. Noticing that NQ stops before the target, then makes a correction, and only after that finishes the target. Well, yeah, it could do that. That's a dirty move from Nasdaq. It also, I mean, it does it a lot on the 1 minute chart also. Much more. Feels like the 5 minute is going to be the final target. Yeah. But, you know, TP2 hit 1 micro left to run to 85. All right. I'm still checking on gold. Yeah, so this level is 85. Let's put a fib tool here. Well, I had a stop loss. Visor the most. Do you prefer audiobook or reading book? Well, you know, Sam, that's a good question. I like to read. If I drive my car, I go with audiobooks, definitely. First target. Yeah, let me check. Gold is still there. I am going to wait for this retracement. Let me measure the possible risk at 1475. 14. Actually, I put my fib tool to a wrong place. Risk to reward could be still good. 14. Yeah. Gold is still there. I'm gonna wait for retracement. That's all I can do now. That's all I can do. Yeah, daily fair value gap is in play. Absolutely. I think. Now it's getting clear now that we're going for that 85. Michael, Tom the Pajama Trader. Yeah, I am. But I know Michael, actually, he's a good guy. Gold is going down. Interesting. And look at this. Nasdaq is just going higher and higher. And no matter what, I think it's going to go 40 points. Easily can be done. Easily. Easily can be done. Fast track trading, I really have no thoughts on them. The only question, I mean, why do they only have, I mean, that you can play with crypto, pay with crypto to them. That makes it a little bit weird, but I don't know. It's a little bit weird and strange, but what can I say? It's strange, for sure. Yeah, I'm looking on my left screen. I have higher time frames. I'm looking the 15, the 1 hour. You guys only seeing the 5 minute, but I do have the 15 on my left. I do have the 1 hour. I could be switching for you guys if you like to, but you might get a little bit dizzy. But look at this. This was a nice shift up there. It's actually a bullish order block on the 15 minute right now. But yes, I'm watching higher time frames too. Mostly the 1 hour and the 15 minute during day trading. 1 hour, 15 minute. I checked the daily too, of course. I checked the daily levels. Absolutely. I check for those levels, but you know. Now, I am trying to focus on this particular trade entry. If it would go down, I don't think it will though, but it can. So let's see. NinjaTrader, NinjaTrader web or desktop? Oh yes, you're asking. Okay. Gold keeps rejecting VWAP. Who knows? Let me delete this. If gold wants to... The only thing on gold here, there was a small structure shift and there was a fair value gap on gold. And here was actually a bearish market structure shift here. So is it going to continue to take the sell side liquidity? I don't know. Below the VWAP, who knows? You know. Thoughts on TOPSTEP? TOPSTEP is great. MetaHuman TOPSTEP is great. No issues. It really is legit, real deal. Nothing bad to say about them. The only thing I would like them to do is maybe ease up a little bit on their payout policy. That would be great. But I think TOPSTEP is awesome. Really. So I got my payouts technically from TOPSTEP. So yeah, the losing trade was, yeah. Thank you, financial system breaker. Thank you. I mean, I was really hoping that we should have reached at least the 25 here. We were like, I was like 2 points away here. 2 points away. Actually, 1 point, 6 ticks. I was away 6 ticks here from my TP, but you know, what can we do? Ease up on the payout policy. The 200 day trade, I mean the $200 per day rule, I mean that could be a little bit eased up to make it easier. So especially if you're trading on a 50K account and you're trading small, you know, and maybe only micros, then you always have to focus on making that $200 days. Sometimes it could be hard. For many traders it's easy. That's it. They could lower that number or something. I don't know. That's the only thing. Otherwise, it's cool. Could you have re-entry on the OT of the 15-minute? RFG on that was not on the 15-minute. Yeah, of course. If you want to go long on the 15-minute OTE, why not? Actually, it's right there on almost there at the 5-minute too. So That's why I'm watching this. If this would come back for a nice pullback, why not? That could be interesting. I've done 200 per day on my top step. It's my day 5 today. Nice. Congratulations, Raf. That's cool. That's cool. They should change. Yeah, maybe. 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 Gold is holding in this gap. Marshall, hey there. Short scalp opportunity, maybe, but this one can just, you know, pump all the way to 85, so be careful with it. Just be careful. Let's see. Gold is still there. I'm waiting for a retracement. Sorry, pullback in this case on Nasdaq. Actually, I'm gonna... no, I'm not gonna put an alert. Yeah, this week is... I mean... yeah, losses can come all the time, but yesterday was good. Also, Monday was good. So price action on Monday and Tuesday was actually good. So... Marcos says, taking along. All right. Well, you know, good luck with it. I hope you make it. Definitely the bias at this moment is for the daily fair value gap up there. So, yeah, Nez. Yes, I received payouts from TopStep multiple times. Let's see. Bum, bum, bum. Yeah, there's no promo code. If you use my link, that actually gives me some credit as a support for the channel. But if you use my link and register for a new account, they give you an additional 20% discount from your first purchase and 50% discount from your first reset. So that's all they have right now at TopStep. But, you know, for example, on a 150K account, that's like... $30 down on your first purchase. But, you know, that's the only thing. TopStep usually gives out some codes during TopStep TV streams, but they usually don't go with these kind of promos like other prop firms. But that's the only thing right now. Marcos, come on. There you go. You passed 150K take profit yesterday. Come on, Raf. Congratulations. Good job. That's a good job. Awesome. Nice to hear that. Oh, fighter jets are going. They are flying. They are flying. That's a good thing when you live next to an airport, right? So don't forget it, the 90% sale is still going on with BULENOX until Sunday. You can get your discounted accounts. I expected that it would take equal, is it able? Yeah. 30 points. Yeah, Nasdaq, let's watch gold as well. I'm still waiting for this Nasdaq for a proper pullback, because we still have a good range to go inside that daily fair value gap. So I'm just gonna wait. You know, guys, on Monday we were waiting the whole London session, no trade, just waiting. My fib levels is 50% and 61.8. That's it. These are the two levels. I do have a standard deviation of 2 if needed, but that's not really important for me. I think I just left it there. But 50% and 61.8. That's all I look. Done for the morning. Nice crypto. Congratulations. Yeah, go back, chill. Congrats. Just for be clear, if MyFundedFutures, you pass the expert count with the lower 40% consistence, you can ask for the 1K payout because you're above the buffer zone. Yes, so as I said, you can request up to 60% of your safety threshold. So it depends how much is your balance currently. So for a 50K account, I think it's I don't even know how much is the safety threshold on a 50K, but if you have, for example, $2,000 on your balance, then you can request up to 60% of that. That's all you can request. Gold is still there. I banned him, but I was a little bit emotional earlier, so I was a little bit emotional. I know Zabak actually was here a lot. All I was seeing is that people were making I'm not gonna comment too much on it. People were making stupid jokes and then throwing shit on my trading, and Zabak was also laughing and stuff like that, so I just pushed the hide button on his name too. I unbanned Zabak, by the way. Now he's unbanned. I don't know if he's still here or watching, but I just unbanned him because if he ever comes back, I apologize. He was really good and nice with me on the streams, but I got a little bit carried away. Yeah, he's very helpful, I know. So if you guys see him in any other streams or he's watching, just tell him that I got a little bit carried away. But I just unbanned him because I know he was actually... I'm sorry about that, but I was a little bit emotional, so I apologize. But that's all I can say. So I apologize to Zabak. Please tell him if you see him somewhere. He's unbanned. Maybe he's not even coming back anymore. Who knows? I don't know. I don't know. Yeah. I just opened up the chat and I saw all these shit and I thought, all right, I don't need this. So I was just pushing the mouse button. Boom, boom, boom. You are the best. Yeah. Yeah. But really, I want to focus on trading. That's all. I just want to focus on trading. And yes, I do shield some of these prop firms because I'm not a profitable trader. So that's it. That's all. Of course, I do that. Without the affiliate commissions, it would be much harder for me. I admit that. That's the truth. I never hide that. Patrick Whelan makes hundreds of thousands of dollars a month. Good for him. I just do this to be here full time. That's all I need. Definitely my goal is to get those payouts from the funded accounts, and hopefully we will get there. That's the goal. That's the goal. I try to do that with all my best knowledge. Point of control for NQ stays at 201. Okay. That means we might still go back down for a proper pullback. Thank you, Marcos. Yeah, let's hope. Let's hope, MetaHuman. Marco is gay. What? No, he's not. We just... Even if he is, who cares? You know. What do you think is stopping you from being consistently profitable? I'm going to tell you, rage trading, revenge trading, emotions. I am to be honest, I'm an emotional person. I am emotional. I can get very angry, very frustrated, and maybe I'm bipolar, who knows? But I have too much emotions in my personal life as well. I have some stress to deal with besides trading. I'm going through a difficult time. I'm not going to tell you guys why, but I'm going through a difficult time in my personal life, not with my fiance, but in family wise and financially. That's all I can tell you. I'm going through a difficult time, and I'm getting stressed out sometimes, and I get a little bit angry too early, too soon. So I'm trying not to take it out on the stream, and I think one way is to get rid of some haters, which so far I did not care about them, but I just had to make this decision. So revenge trading comes from anger and stress and fear, you know, the dark side in Star Wars. So as I said, I have some struggles, some hardships in my life, and that takes a toll on me on trading. That's all I can tell you without giving you more details. So that's it. The buyer, come on. Yeah. All right. Yeah. We help you shield Apex. All right. You don't need to. You don't need to. The goal is to build up those accounts finally. We help you shield Apex. That's a good one, actually. Man. Boom. 418 profit. Come on, Marcos. There you go. Yeah. Yeah. So we need good vibes, guys. That's why we're here. We need good vibes. We don't need the bad vibes in chat. We only need good vibes. Still buy model? I sprayed everybody. Oh yeah, I did, I think. I pulled out the gun and that's it. Made some house cleaning. And accidentally I shot some people like Zabak the Midget. Oh man. If you have 6 contracts for the account and you have not reached the profit mark, do you continue to use? I don't really like to add more if I don't have to. So it's not my thing to do. Looks like we're just going up. Let me delete this. We're just going up and up and up. Short at 70. I would be careful with the shorts when we are so close to the fair value gap at 85. I would be careful. I would be very, very careful with the shorts. How you copy trade on Quant Tower? Yeah, sure, why not? I have a few accounts connected. Give me a second. So, copy trading. Let me add more. So you open the copy trader and you name the bot something like whatever. You can add the description. You choose your parent connection, for example, BULENOX. Right now I'm connected to 3 of these BULENOX. And you choose your parent account. And for this, all you have to do is add, for example, the child connections. For example, at Apex, there is an account at Apex, multiplier is set to 1, and that's it. And that's how simple. You just click on save, and you're done. It's working. I'm not going to add this, but this is how simple it is, actually. That's it. It's very simple, to be honest, I think. Quant Tower makes it easy. You're welcome. Multiplier, make sure the multiplier is always set to 1, but it's by default it's set to 1, so. Good morning, Tom. Quick question. I passed an Apex eval last night and the new billing cycle is today. You think support will refund the eval renewal since it is converting to PA? Oh, good question. Maybe. It's so if their system is updating, if you have the payment link there on your dashboard, if you go to signatures on the left, if there's a payment link, I would suggest to sign the contract, pay the activation fee, and cancel the evaluation account manually, just to make sure. They're going to put it out anyway from there, but just make sure to cancel. But I'm not sure. You might have to get a support ticket on that. If they already charged you for the renewal, well, good question. You have to raise a support ticket. Mr. Martin is already installing his brand new fountain. Yeah, just make sure to pay the activation fee, and after you pay the activation fee, you can cancel it manually just to make sure. If it still hasn't happened yet, yeah, they haven't sent the certificate yet. Okay, but they charge me for renewal. Oh, that's bad. That's bad. So this is the case when you have to write to support, ask for a ticket. Maybe they can do something for you, hopefully. It's a bad luck, a little bit of a bad luck here, that the system charged you right before the certificate has been made by the system. Never heard about this from anyone else before. I know it's a possibility, but you definitely have to raise a support ticket there. Yeah, they will. Yeah, but if they already charged him, you know, maybe they will refund. I don't know. You can also do one thing, but I don't know if Apex would like that. If you call your bank and ask for a chargeback, it's a little sketchy. Apex may not going to like that, so that's why you should raise a support ticket. Why does it show that your channel is registered in Hungary? Are you? Yes, of course. I'm a Hungarian financial system breaker. I am. I speak English not too good. I'm speaking English only a beginner level, but yeah. Hey, don't worry about it, Naz. Next move is gonna come. I'm sure about that, so don't beat yourself up to it, because I'm sure we're gonna have some more moves. Chargeback will ban him. Yeah, be careful with the chargeback. I wouldn't do that until just raise a support ticket. That's the best. You're from Czech Republic. Hey, that's awesome. Awesome, financial system breaker. Welcome, welcome. Actually, in like 2 weeks or something, I'm gonna travel to, how do you say this? I hope I pronounce it right. České Budějovice. České Budějovice. Budweis. I don't know. And I'm gonna be in Budweis. České Budějovice. Anyway. Yes, alright. So I'm gonna be there. You're from Brno. Awesome. So I'm gonna be in Czech Republic in about 2 weeks. Taking a trip there. České Budějovice. That's where I'll be. Budweiser, yeah. So I'm gonna be there. In about 2 weeks. I might have to skip one day from streaming because I think it's gonna be on a Wednesday or Thursday. But I'll see. You don't have to. But man, lately those moves have been so crazy. Yeah, I know they have been really going well. I saw you on the chat at Methodical Man, and yeah, I know you like that system. Yeah, a bit early for bears. We're going for the 85s here. I think so. Yeah, as he said, everybody has their system, you know. If he makes profit with it, you know, it is what it is. As I said, that's the beauty of trading. Oh, all right, Pinion Mendes. Thank you for being here. Have a good sleep and see you soon. Man, the FOMO is real. Not taking the VWAP test. Yeah, I mean, this was a beautiful bounce here on the VWAP. It was definitely a beautiful bounce. No stopping until 85, I guess. No stopping until 85. Still waiting for my retracement. Sorry, pullback. It's not happening. It's not happening. Ba-dum-bum, ba-dum-bum. Just waiting still. But definitely the FOMO is real. I have no entry, guys. I just have no entry, no swing for me. I mean, there's no structure here as a swing low for me to go down to. There is a small tiny fair value gap at 55. We still have this area. OTE level for me would be this gap. I don't think we're gonna go down here. It's just so close to 85. Let me look at the 15-minute. Yeah, also the 15-minute, same. That would be the level I might be looking as a possible long. I'm just gonna put an alert there. Sure, is 137. What? I have 140. What do you mean? Up there. Yeah, need a strong pullback. Otherwise, I'm not interested in this move. I'm also watching gold, but nothing there. So. Guys, it's the waiting game. We're still in the kill zone, but I don't know. I really wanted to grab this one for the fair value gap there, but I think it's just going to accumulate some positions maybe on the 1 minute, and then boom. I don't know. I'm not asking the chat, but if some of you guys did catch the move, then awesome. Hey, Ion, is that an I? Ion Voida. Hey there, welcome. It was like Laszlo. You're welcome. I don't know for what, but today I wasn't on. I mean, the level was good, but my trade is lost. So right now I'm just waiting for a pullback. It's patience. Hello. Yeah, good move for pre-market. You know, still, if it goes down there, that could be interesting to take along at that area. You know, stop loss below 990 somewhere. That could be something that would be interesting to me. Janos, okay. Janos, üdvözöllek. Welcome, Janos. All right, let's see how far this pullback is gonna go down. At all, if it goes down. Yes, only Rhythmic, MetaHuman, only Rhythmic. So basically Ninja Trader, Quant Hour, and Rhythmic Trader Pro at this point. Hopefully they will do Trade Await as well. How we dump now? Yeah, here we go. Let's see. Oops, sorry, quick phone call. All right, I'm here. Just a quickie phone call. So what about the pullbacks here? Is it happening or not? Why Ninja kicks me out all the time? I don't know. Are you using a web trader or you download the application? I think you're using Mac, right? I don't know. If it's kicking you out, you might have to raise a ticket at Buleanox maybe, or at Ninja Trader. They also application, all right. So could be a connection setup or settings or setting. If you're connected and you just get kicked out, then it might be an issue from Buleanox. So you might have to ask them. You only trade on indices? Yes, on Nasdaq, and I'm trying to pick up gold as well. But I was trading last year Forex, but I have more success with these index futures, and I'm trying to go with gold too. But 90% of the time, Nasdaq. Sometimes I slip in like a bit of an ES trade, but not always. All right. Gold is stuck there. I'm waiting for a pullback on Nasdaq, and that's all. By the way, guys, if you haven't done it already, please like the stream and subscribe to my channel. That would really help us out with the big deal. And if you would like to support me being here full-time, and if you would like to trade with some of these prop firms, just use my codes and use my links. That would really help me out. And that's it. Thanks for considering. That was the commercial. All right, so no pullback, no healthy pullback to the OTE level right now. Short from 52 and 69. All right. Marcus is looking for a long. You know, if you zoom it out on the 5-minute, there was a small fair value gap here. Could be providing some level of support right there. I'm not saying this is the A+ entry to go long, but if you're very aggressive and you want to DCA, or at least add once more to your losing trade, you can add one position here to go long. I don't know. That's a different strategy. This was not my entry, so I'm not doing anything with that. But it looks like so far this small gap on the 5-minute is holding, and it could be pushing higher. Need to close the day at 500. Yeah, that's a good goal. That's a very good goal. Gold is going lower. Guys, I have to use the bathroom and drink something. I'll be right back in 2 minutes. Hold on. Be right back. All right, I'm back. What is happening? Take long. Sorry, good luck. You're short. All right, let's see what's going on here. Gold is still there. Nothing is really happening here. Waiting for a proper pullback. Still at those levels. By the way, let me check something on gold real quick. Below the daily, yesterday's daily low, we still have a sell side liquidity. But let's look at the big picture. I don't know. Is it gonna go down lower? Might be, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Gold is tricky. Gold is tricky, sorry. Don't know what to make of it, but anyway. I was just, wondering if there's something to go with. This is not a structure shift yet, but again, I'm looking for a pullback to this level down. Grabbed a bit of the short, all right. All right, let's go. This is not a healthy pullback. I wish it was, but this is just not it. All right, still nothing. But officially we're still in the zone. So let's wait for it. We are still in the zone. Gold might be climbing a little bit higher. NQ pulling down a bit. We need to go down below the 30s. So I'm waiting for that level, but there is no structure shift. Give me 33. Gold is finding some support here. Actually, on gold there is an order block up at 29. Interesting. 29.7. Might want to take it out. 29. Oh yeah, almost up there. So $36.75. Yeah. Look at this. There is something down there. Could be interesting. Also, yeah. Could be pulling. Could be pulling it. Let me go back to the 5-minute again. So I can't force it. It's the waiting game. One bad trade for the morning yet, but on the fair value gap at 25, another at 10 below as well. Can they be considered as one fair value gap or treat them separately? So fair value gap at 25, another at 10 here. 25, another at 10. How should I put this? I consider them, I mean, the thing is, this is the swing. This is the latest swing on the 5-minute from down here to the upside. So we have two fair value gaps here. Optimal trade entry is in this first fair value gap, so I would consider them separately. But it doesn't really bother me that we have another fair value gap down here, because if I enter here, my stop loss would be down there. This only gives me a last line of defense. So if the second fair value gap, if you want to go with the tighter stop loss than this swing low here, you can put your stop loss somewhere here. Actually, ICT, I think he does this. If there's a fair value gap below his entry, then he puts the stop here, because he says if we go through the second fair value gap, we have a 90% chance that we're going to go down to the swing low anyway. So you might be considering this area as a level to put the stop loss below. I'm using a wider stop, but that's only me. If you want to go with a tighter stop, maybe that's an indication that you can use this level right above somewhere at the 20K area. I don't know. All right, gold is finally moving higher. Let's see what it does. I think it will take out the order block up there. At least it should. And NQ is also finding some support. You're welcome. The same cheat sheet. Hey, Abs. Yeah, sure. Scalping allows. You can scalp as long as it's not DCAing. You know, you have your stop loss in order. You have your risk predetermined already when you enter the scalp. You can go for example, I don't know. There was no such thing written down as that you can only go for this and this amount of ticks or points. So at this point, I would say, yeah, you can scalp. Just don't DCA. Because I was going through the fine print as much as I could, but you can go for a few ticks. Just have a stop loss and don't DCA. That big red candle is fake. It's like 2P1, yeah. Yeah, it seems like the volume is just, you know, dying. I'm looking at this gold still. If the buy side liquidity would be up there, up there, then, oh, this is the 50, that was the 15-minute. Still, if that would be a good buy side liquidity up there at 35.8, and this one is shifting, I might even consider taking a long on gold. No, it's absolutely, it's very simple, Abs. Just, you know, if you're in a long position, for example, if you went long from here, from here, and price goes against you, you just keep adding more positions to your trade as it goes against you, right? So you just keep adding more and more buy positions. Now, I know this is a strategy, and I know many traders use it, but this is dollar cost averaging. So you average out your entry by adding more and more positions to your buy. And, you know, the goal is technically, of course, to exit with some profit on a higher level, but this is something that Apex doesn't really like. They let you to add once more to your losing trade. So enter here, you can add one more to your losing trade whenever. That's it. That's one of the ways to explain it in a simple manner. So you can add one more to your trade. Gold looking good. That's why I'm looking at this, because I like the levels up there. I do like that buy side too. Previously, this was actually a possible shift after the sweep, but it was a little risky to me. Should have taken the long, but I like this one. I don't know. Still waiting for this to close. Almost relative equal highs up there. Let's see if it swept some liquidity or not. Fib tool here, OTE would be just there. It would be a little bit tight entry, I give you that. So yeah, I'm gonna wait on gold, but I do like this, trying to shift higher. Yeah, waiting for a short. Negotiating 40 now, if it comes quick, yeah. It's coming on Nasdaq. Let's go. It's coming, guys, it's coming. Actually, 26.6. Let me see. 26.6. Could this be a good position? I don't know. I'm not sure. And the TP would be at 31.9. Anyway, I'm still waiting. I was hoping for this pullback. Let me delete this alert since we're already watching this closely. I do like the tight entry. Everybody likes the tight entry. Trusting the process. Yes, it's mechanical. All right, this one is going down. Gold is interesting. Gold is interesting. But basically, yes, so you have, if you have an edge, and that's what the books are saying too, if you have an edge, you have to trust the system. Because as a good trader, if you know your edge, you know how it works. As a trader, you have to execute without emotions. You have to be dead inside. Of course, there has to be some limits throughout the day, I guess. So certain loss limits have to be implied, but as a trader, you have to keep on executing. Not every single trade, but the ones that fits your criteria. I can't speak today, guys. Again. Oh, you're short. All right. Peter, morning. If you look at gold, doesn't it look like more of a short of a support and resistance? Gold is tricky right now for me. We did sweep the previous day low. We do have a sell side liquidity, that's true. I don't really know what to think about this right now. We have a buy side there. We have some bearish order blocks. Well, not really a good one. On the higher time frames, not too good bearish order blocks. But, you know, I was waiting for gold to pull back lower a little bit. I think it's going to take out this equal highs at 29.8 and going to move higher. As for Nasdaq, well, nobody knows. On the 15-minute, it actually repriced the fair value gap here. Fair value gap repriced here on the 15-minute. Is it going to hold? I don't know. Too many gaps. I'm not entering, that's for sure. So this is the waiting game. Backtesting 4:15 a.m. session consistency make reversal. Oh, yeah. Still waiting. Still just waiting. Yeah, gold is holding that area. Yeah, the 30 level is a good one still. But overall, I think we're heading to that daily fair value gap. But no pullback. I think market does not want to give the opportunity for traders to enter with a good risk to reward. Yeah, no problem. An example of a trade I took. I entered a scalp once trade is in position. I put my stop loss and then got out of the position once I saw fitness. It's okay. It's fine. It's fine, Ebbs. It's fine, and that's a good question. Stop loss should usually not be more than 3 times your take profit. So if your take profit is 20 ticks, then your stop loss should not be more than 60 ticks. At least your hard stop. You can close it manually, of course, but negative 1 to 3. So your risk should not be greater than 3 times your take profit. That is also something that they were talking about. So you're okay. That's absolutely fine. That's absolutely all right. As much as I would like to do something, guys, I mean, it seems like I'm just not getting my entry. I don't want to, you know, go in and rage trade or something because there's absolutely no use to do that. We had the loss. It happens, you know. I closed the position in profit manually too. It was not that. It's fine. It's okay. It's perfectly fine. Marcos is killing. 525. Congratulations. I need to give you an applause. Where is it? Marcos is printing today. Congrats. Congratulations there. Guys, I don't think I'm gonna take more trades. The kill zone is ending, so I'm gonna recharge for the New York session. I had a loss. It happens. On to the next one, and that's it. I think we're gonna go into the fair value gap. I think we are gonna have some good session. 10 a.m. news, don't forget it. So I'll be back, and I think I'm gonna cut it here. Thank you so much for everybody for being here. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Push the like, and if you would like to support the channel, please use my links and codes if you purchase any of these funded accounts or evaluation accounts. Guys, you are awesome. I'm coming back in the New York session. Stay safe, and you know, have a good one. See you guys later. Cheers, everyone. Take care.